There was a tornado siren in Lego City. It looked strange at first. But on every Friday at exactly 11 o'clock, it would go off as a test, sounding like... Nobody could really live with the sound, and they always wanted to kill themselves when they heard it. One day, Bruno was shunting cars around the yard, when suddenly... Ow. Sorry about that. I got scared by the tornado siren. You son of a bitch. You killed my friend. But Bruno was not dead. He was still alive. The retarded faggot of a power shovel had to put Bruno on the rails as punishment. Yeah. Oh, frick. I think my arm just broke. Then one day, it went off again just a few weeks later. It was a horrible mess. Townsend the tow truck had to run for his money, even though he was from a non-profit organization. Shit. Come on, Townsend, I can still drive. Hey, Townsend, what's the matter? Oh, hot damn, Aner. I've been cleaning up wrecks all day. Some car wrecked the whole freeway just because of some goddamn tornado siren. Well, that happens sometimes. Well, safe travels, Townsend. They always say that. It's pissing me off. Don't take me away, Townsend. I can still drive. The next Friday, the tornado siren was torn to shreds. It did not look so good. However, the wires were still connecting it, some of them at least. So then it went off. Oh, shit! Huh? What the hell was that? Take shelter immediately. Take it right The tornado siren had become a lethal projectile that had wrecked the whole town almost. However, it had broken the prison wall. An illegal immigrant, Quandale Pringle, was able to escape prison. Finally, man, all I did was just sneak into the country on a freight train. I did nothing wrong. It's not that bad. Jesus. Screw the DHS. Screw that chick whose face keeps falling off. And screw Trump especially. He's a dickhole. Mother of God! He's escaped! Then again, Trump should not be locking up Mexicans who just want a better life here. So, what am I to do about it? Wait a minute. This is Lego City, not America. Why do I even bother? Why was he even in this jail in the first place? Actually, it was the only jail within 20 miles that had not been mowed down by a Kenworth T600. Are you sure you can say that? That sounds copyrighted. Yeah, and your voice is copyrighted too. Okay. I don't give a shit.